was born to belong to the lines of a song and make they my home. Believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as the